Today, mobile applications have become an essential part of our lives. Whether we need to book tickets, rides, or even want to order food online, we make use of separate apps that meet our requirements. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you about the top web application frameworks that you could use for 2022. Now, if you're a developer and wish to make new applications, then this video is just the right one. So let me tell you what's in store. First, we'll understand why mobile app frameworks are used. Then we'll understand the criteria to pick a mobile app framework. Then we'll move on to understanding the different types of mobile application frameworks. And finally, I'll help you with the top application frameworks for 2020. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss an update. So first, let's understand why mobile application frameworks are used. Now, although these mobile applications are an integral part of our lives, have you ever wondered how they're built? Now, the answer to this is to use mobile app development frameworks, right? Now, there are various frameworks available in this tech world. So you can learn how to develop your mobile app and come out with out-of-the-box mobile applications. So basically, a mobile application development framework is a library that provides the needed basic structure to develop mobile applications. It's as simple as that. So now that you know why mobile application frameworks are used and what they exactly are, let's move on to understanding the criteria to pick a framework. There are three main criteria that you need to consider. First one is range of applicability. Now this will tell you what part of the framework you can use to build the particular app. Now you need to check if you need just one framework or a set of frameworks. So you'll have to first consider that. Next up is obviously development speed. Now, speed is of utmost importance. So depending on your development speed and your requirements, you'll have to choose the appropriate framework. And finally, we have manageability and flexibility. Now again, you need to consider performance, architecture, limitations, all of that. And then you can shortlist a particular framework. So now let's move on to the different types of mobile application frameworks. First, we have native applications. Then we have web applications. And finally, there are hybrid applications. Now, a native application is specifically used for a device or a platform, be it for Android operating system or for iOS. Web applications, on the other hand, are typically written in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and these applications are mobile app designed to deliver different web pages on distinct web platforms. And lastly, we have hybrid applications. Now, this is basically an app that combines both web and native applications. Now, such apps are developed from a single code base for any type of platform. So now that you're familiar with what a mobile application framework is, the different criteria, and the different types of these frameworks, let's move on and look at the top 10 mobile application frameworks for 2022. At number 10, we have Appcelerator Titanium. Now, this mobile app development framework includes an idea of web tech-based app development. Now, Appcelerator uses JavaScript for building native applications for iOS, Android, Windows from a single code. Now, this framework permits testing and app development all at one spot. The Titanium SDK for Appcelerator is a perfect app development kit. It includes various APIs to access native UI components such as navigation bars, menus, hardware functionalities, and dialog boxes. Now, some features include live app preview, compatible with various platforms, faster development process, access to third-party libraries, and easier API integration. At number 9, we have Mobile Angular. Now, an open source mobile app development framework, Mobile Angular UI, merges the Angular and Bootstrap framework. This framework provides many UI components like sidebars, overlays, switches, scrolls, navigation, etc. Now, it also offers attractive and robust user interfaces. Now, additionally, this framework supports Overthrow.js and FastClick.js to develop rich experiences. It is also cross-browser compatible and permits automatic handling of JavaScript code. Talking about some of its features, it is a responsive framework, it provides interactive components, it's lightweight, has no jQuery dependencies, also allows easier conversion from desktop to mobile apps. At number 8, we have Meteor. Now, Meteor or Meteor.js is another popular open source JavaScript mobile app development framework which is written in TypeScript. Now, Meteor.js assists in creating cross-platform mobile applications for web Android, and iOS. Mobile app development using Meteor provides access to competent libraries that turn the prototyping of challenging applications into an impressive mobile application. Talking about the features, it has pre-built packages and is extremely competent. At number 7, we have Framework 7. Now, this is an open source development framework and it assists in developing desktop, mobile, and web apps with a native perspective. Now, this framework permits you to use tools like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also React and Vue components. Now, additionally, Framework 7 offers a wide range of widgets and UI elements like action sheets, elements, side panels, etc. Talking about some of its features, it allows easier customization and maintenance. It builds a great prototyping tool. Like I mentioned, it offers various UI widgets and it has a rich ecosystem with icons, plugins, and templates. At number 6, we have NativeScript. Again, being an open source framework, NativeScripts help create mobile applications empowered with TypeScript, Angular, CSS, and JavaScript. It's one of the preferable frameworks which reduces the time and code of the application. Now, many top companies choose NativeScript for its powerful web empowerment platform. Talking about its features, it is cross-platform compatible. It allows native user interfaces. It's mission critical with business support and offers plugins and templates. Moving on at number 5, we have Ionic. Now, Ionic has become one of the most favorite choices for app developers now. It's a free app development platform that uses HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create native, hybrid, and web applications. Now, additionally, it's a perfect pick for building hybrid apps and progressive web applications that demand HTML technology. Besides, hybrid applications come with almost every feature of both native and web applications. So these applications developed using Ionic can be shared across various app stores and installed on all devices. Talking about some of its features, it is again cross-platform compatible. It is optimized for better performance. It has a uniform user interface. It has an evergreen community of 5 million developers. It has intuitive UI components and allows user adaptability. At number 4, we have jQuery Mobile. Now, jQuery again is based on HTML5 and provides a rich user interface system. It is touch optimized and used to develop highly responsive apps for tablets, smartphones, and desktops. jQuery Mobile holds Theme Roller, which provides highly customizable themes. And apart from that, this mobile app development framework allows you to build highly branded websites. It has extensive operating system support covering macOS, Windows, BlackBerry, Firefox, and Kindle. So talking about some of its features, it is lightweight, it is built on jQuery core, it is extensive and straightforward, it is configured with HTML5, and it has a robust theming framework. At number 3, we have Xamarin. Now, the Xamarin mobile app development framework is .NET based. Now, this native platform is from the house of Microsoft. It's an open source and cross-platform app building framework which provides a development ecosystem with API, backend, components, etc. Now, additionally, it has tools, libraries, and programming languages for your support. Now, Xamarin can help you develop native apps with the help of an active community for iOS, Android, watchOS, tvOS, Windows, and macOS. Talking about some of its salient features, it has a Google Emulator Manager, it has a versatile backend infrastructure, it has a strong community of about 60,000 contributors, comes with an application loader, and has robust diagnostic tools. At number 2, we have Flutter. Now again, this is a fantastic choice for developing a successful mobile app. It is produced by Google. It is a UI toolkit that generates native applications for web development and mobile platforms. Now, Flutter works on one code base to build Android and iOS apps through a cross-based mobile app development framework. The framework offers a wide range of entirely customizable widgets that assist in developing native apps in a short span. Some key features include full native performance, attractive and interactive visuals, you have flexible user interface, it offers built-in material design, and strong widget support. And finally, at number 1, we have React Native. Now, React Native is a cross-platform open source app development framework which is developed by Google. One of the best go-to solutions in JavaScript mobile-based application frameworks, React Native has become the first choice of many app developers today. The swift development and deployment process of this framework are the chief reasons why React Native is being adopted. Now, these applications built using React Native are downloadable across all platforms like Google Play Store and Apple Store. Some of its key features include low-code, compatible third-party plugins, declarative APIs, supports iOS and Android, offers code reusability, and is cost-effective. So these were the top 10 mobile application development frameworks. Now before that, you must consider which type of framework will suit your needs and why. And the selection of the best fit considering your project requirements is totally up to you. Now if you aim to increase market reach, do not forget to research well and how you can create the most valuable application. While creating, make sure you use a simple and easy to navigate framework. So this was a list of the top 10 frameworks for 2022. If you have any doubts or queries, let us know in the comment section below. We'll be happy to help you. And watch out for more videos from us. Until then, keep learning and stay tuned to Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.